We are here at the Banana Republic. Here at the Galleria in Houston. Check out way up here. Nice. Low pitch chimes. So this means this is an early adoption of the 330A. Lovely. Cool. Here you go. Motor. Wow. Lots of work up here. You can hear that bird. It's a nice elevator. With a cab and everything. I mean, wooden floor, you know, but stainless steel cab, still. Wow. That lovely just kills it. Yeah. Here we go. There's the button right here. Let's listen to the chime. Alrighty, let's listen to this motor. Here we go. Crazy that this elevator still has low pitch chimes on the outside.
Stairs.
Nice stairs. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.